Good morning for all 9th class students. Today we will start exercise 2.1 in polynomials. The chapter name is polynomial. Poly means plenty. Nomials means monomial, binomial, trinomial terms which are having one term, two terms, three terms, etc. Now, actual definition. What is polynomial means? An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-integral, non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. So I'll explain what is this. So some algebraic expressions means you will have 2x square plus 3x plus 5. First, these are called variables. Variables powers must be non-negative integral powers. Integral means integers. Integers will be like what? Z is equals to 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. These are all integral powers. Z is called integer. These are called integral powers. But what he is saying? Variables involved have only non-negative. Non-negative. See, these all are negative. Non-negative means this entire can be. Means powers must be non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Means power can be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Power is negative. It is not a polynomial. Example, x power minus 2 plus 3x plus 5. Like this is there. It is not a polynomial because x power is negative integer. Power is negative integer means it is not a polynomial. Next one more, x power 2 by 3 plus 5. It is also not a polynomial. Why? According to definition, power should be non-negative integer. But 2 by 3 is not an integer, it is a rational number. Powers should not be rational numbers. Powers should not be negative. Then that algebraic expression is said to be called as polynomial. Okay. Now we will go through the exercise. I hope that you understood about what is meant by polynomial. By seeing you should say whether it is polynomial or not. So go through the textbook, not only exercise, go through different examples here and do these things discussed are there here. So if you go through it, then you will come to know what is polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial. See, degree means 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. What is this? Powers of non-negative integers. Means it is a polynomial. Highest power is 3. So, the degree of this polynomial is 3. What is degree? The highest power of the variable is said to be called as degree of the polynomial. Okay. Next, for any constant, 5 is there. 5 is also a polynomial because 5 can be written as 5 into 1 or not. And you have a formula a power 0 is equal to 1. 5 into x power 0. 5x power 0 means x is variable, its power is 0. What is the degree of this polynomial 5x power 0? Only 1 is there, its power is 0. So degree is what? 0. For any constant, constant means for any number, the degree is 0. Any number, 2 by 3 is there. What is its degree? 0. Okay. 3x plus 5. What is its degree? X5 is 5x power 0. X means x power 1. So being power is 1, 1 is the greatest one. The degree of this polynomial is 1. If degree is 2, it is called quadratic. If degree is 3, it is called cubic. Cubic polynomial, quadratic. Now exercise 2.1. First question is find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. So you have to find the degree. First question in that first one. X power 5 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3. So first it is a polynomial or not. How to know is see exponents or powers. Powers are if they have negative symbol, it is not a polynomial. And also if any fractions are there, it's not a polynomial. So 5 and 4 are there. So when integers, positive integers, it is a polynomial. What is the highest power of x? X power 4 is there, x power 5 is there. Highest is what? 5. So what is the degree of this polynomial means? It is a fifth degree polynomial. What is this? It is a fifth degree polynomial. Like this, you have to write remaining. Okay. Now 4 minus y square. It is also a polynomial. Y is variable here. Don't see its symbol minus is there or not. I want only in powers, minus should not be there. So in power 2 is there. So it is a quadratic polynomial. If power is 2, degree is 2. That's it. So the degree of this polynomial is what? 2. It is a second degree polynomial. You have to write it is a second degree polynomial. Now go for second question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? So we want a polynomial in one variable. Variable means I said already the values will be going on varies, changes. So here first question 3x square minus 2x plus 5. In second question first one 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Here x square x, but variable is what here? X only. Variable is x. It is a one variable one. So what is its degree? It is a one variable polynomial. Degree is 2. Next go for second question. X square plus root 2. So again it is a polynomial. Only one variable x is there. So its degree is 2. Now p square minus 3p plus q. P is variable, q is variable. How many variables are there here? 2 variables. So it is 2 variables are there. So if 2 variables are there, there is no need of saying its degree. Leave off. Next y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y. Y is variable, but it is not a polynomial because 2 by y. 1 by y is nothing but y power minus 1. This y is there in the denominator. If you take the numerator, its powers will be negative. Negative power is there, it is not a polynomial, no need of saying it's a degree. Okay. 5 root x. 5 root x plus x root 5. It is not a polynomial, first thing. Why it is not a polynomial? Root is there. Root means x to the power of what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not an integer. Power should be non-negative integer. 1 by 2 is a rational number. So power is a rational number. So it is not a polynomial. If it is not a polynomial, no need of saying degree. If it is a polynomial, just must and should have to write its a degree. It is second question. Let's go for third. What is third? Third one. Write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. Coefficient. What is the meaning of coefficient? We will see. Now 3x square is there. This is power. Power or exponent or index. Now what is this 3 means? This 3 is coefficient of x square. What is this 3? Coefficient of x square. X square is multiplied by one number. That number is said to be called coefficient. Okay. Now we'll see it here. He is asking coefficient of x cube only. First, in first problem, x cube plus x plus 1 is there. X cube plus x plus 1. X cube before, there is no number means 1 will be there. 1 into x cube is x cube only. What is the coefficient of x cube? If there is no number, always its coefficient will be 1. Next, second question, 2 minus x cube plus x square. Now what is the coefficient of x cube? X cube before, number is not there but symbol is negative. Negative means if number is not there, 1, being minus is there, minus. What is the coefficient of x cube in this polynomial is minus 1. Next, root 2 x cube plus 5. Now x cube with which you are multiplying? You are multiplying with root 2. So what is the coefficient of x cube in this polynomial? Root 2. Okay. So mere seeing you can say the coefficient. Coefficient means x cube term with which you are multiplying, with the symbol you have to write it. Next, now 2x square plus 5. 2x square plus 5. It is the question. In this, are you seeing x cube term? No. If x cube term is not there, you can write 0x cube plus 2x square plus 5. Now, if x cube term is not present, its coefficient becomes what? 0. So, in this 2x square plus 5 polynomial, what is the coefficient of x cube is what you have to write? 0. Okay. Now, fourth question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So, it is very important. What is meant by linear? What is meant by quadratic? What is meant by cubic? Linear, quadratic, cubic. Linear means if degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called linear polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, it is cubic polynomial. Now classify means you have to write linear polynomials in this given are what you have here. First one degree same. What is the degree of first question in 4? First question. What do you have? 5x square plus x minus 7. What is the variable in this? X is variable. What is the highest power of x? 2. If highest power is 2, it is called quadratic only or not? So, you have to write in answer that 5x square plus x minus 7 is the example for quadratic polynomial. Next, second question in that, x minus x cube. X minus x cube. What is variable here? X. What is the highest power of the variable? 3. If highest power of the variable is nothing but what? Degree. What is the degree of this polynomial? 3. If degree is 3, this is which polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Next, third question. What is the degree? 2. If degree is 2, which polynomial is that? Quadratic. Fourth question said x minus 1. X minus 1 means x power what? 1. If x power 1 is there, degree is also 1 only. If degree is 1, that polynomial is called linear polynomial. So, fifth question, true or false only. Sixth question, you can write it. So, tomorrow we will continue with exercise 2.2.